If you're a man over 50 watching this right now, there's a very good chance you've felt it. Maybe quietly, maybe suddenly. The change in blood flow, the hesitation before intimacy, the moment you wonder if your body is still listening to you the way it used to. You may not talk about it out loud, but inside the questions are loud. Is this normal? Am I losing a part of myself? I want you to know something very important right from the start. You are not broken. You are not alone. This conversation is for you. My name is Dr. Evelyn Hart. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 15 years of experience dedicated almost entirely to men's health. I've treated thousands of men dealing with erectile changes and circulation issues. I see the worry, and I help them regain function. One of the biggest misconceptions is that declining blood flow is unavoidable. Aging changes the body, yes, but many factors are modifiable. Vascular health, inflammation, metabolic balance, and acid-base regulation. This is where bicarbonate enters the conversation. Let's start with blood flow. Erections are not about desire alone. They are fundamentally a vascular event dependent on flexible vessels. Your blood vessels are lined with a single layer of cells called the endothelium. This lining determines if your vessels open or close. When the body becomes slightly more acidic, due to aging, diet, or stress, this endothelial lining becomes irritated and stiff. Bicarbonate acts as a buffer. It helps neutralize this excess metabolic acidity, potentially allowing the endothelium to relax. This relaxation is crucial because it supports the release of nitric oxide, the gas that signals your penile arteries to fill with blood. Research suggests that an acidic environment degrades nitric oxide faster. By buffering acidity, we may protect this vital signal. Now, let me be very clear. Bicarbonate is not Viagra. It doesn't force an erection. It supports the environment where one can happen. Think of it as removing friction from the system. It's about creating the right conditions for your body to do what it knows how to do. This also connects to the prostate. Chronic acidity can irritate pelvic nerves and the prostate gland, leading to pelvic tension. Many men report that balancing their pH helps reduce that deep pelvic ache, which in turn helps the pelvic floor muscles relax for better flow. So how do you use it safely? The standard approach is simple: 1/4 teaspoon of food-grade sodium bicarbonate in a large glass of water. Timing is everything. Do not take this with meals, as it lowers stomach acid needed for digestion. Take it on an empty stomach. I recommend the evening about 2 hours after dinner. Why? Because night is when your body enters parasympathetic repair mode. By alkalizing slightly before sleep, you provide a better environment for vascular repair and hormone production while you rest. This is crucial. If you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or heart failure, do not use this protocol. The sodium content matters. Always consult your physician. We want to support your health, not add stress to your cardiovascular system. Now, bicarbonate alone isn't enough. You need to fuel the system. Let's talk about the alkaline synergy diet. You must reduce acid-forming loads, processed sugars, excess red meat, and soda. These counteract everything we are trying to do. Replace them with alkaline powerhouses: spinach, kale, cucumber, and avocado. These are rich in magnesium and potassium. Magnesium is nature's calcium blocker. It helps blood vessels relax physically. Green leafy vegetables are your best source. And hydration. Bicarbonate works in water. If you are dehydrated, your blood is thicker, viscous, and harder to pump. Drink water. There is one more factor that kills blood flow faster than anything else: stress. I call it the cortisol switch. When you are stressed, cortisol rises. Your body enters fight or flight. It shuts down blood flow to the reproductive system to save energy. You cannot supplement your way out of chronic stress. You must actively switch it off. This is where the 10-minute walk comes in. A simple 10-minute walk after dinner does two things. It lowers post-meal blood sugar, and it burns off excess adrenaline. Combine this with deep diaphragmatic breathing. This signals to your brain that you are safe, allowing blood to return to the pelvis. I've seen patients turn their health around, not overnight, but over weeks. The combination of pH balance, diet, and stress control works. The first sign is often the return of morning erections. This is your body telling you that the vascular system is repairing itself during sleep. Briefly on fertility. Even over 50, reducing oxidative stress and acidity improves sperm motility. Healthy flow supports the whole system. Don't rely on just one thing, it's the synergy. Bicarbonate is the helper, your lifestyle is the builder. Build a strong foundation. If this deeper dive was helpful, please subscribe. I'm building a library of men's health resources here. Join us. Comment the word vitality below if you made it this far. It tells me you are serious about taking control of your health. Remember, aging is not a decline. It's a new chapter. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and confident. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.